never knew that I'm in a paradise. Never knew that I'm in a paradise.
Animals, keeping them safe.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh.
My turn!
For some reason, it's begun to feel a bit hollow. You see, the frogs have their friends. Cats have their litters and their pride. I've never had anyone. While the animals have felt like a family for so long, I want more. Something a little more like me. Not quite human, not quite animal. One could call it a herd of my own.
Oh, it's like a machine.
If this machine can send things back to Blue Morta on command, then maybe it can bring things here too. This interdimensional travel stuff is new to me, but I have to try. Alright, here goes nothing.
Oh my god, look. Oh, it's a full. Oh, this is babies and mother. This is mother, it's babies. A wife and baby.
How did I get here?
I brought you here.
You did? Well, the last thing I knew, I was on Blumortia, but now I'm here with this handsome man right in front of me.
And here I am, face to face with the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. I must know your name.
Well, my name is Zulia.
Zulia, the most beautiful name I've ever heard. Zulia.
Oh, and this is my son.
A son?
Oh, look at that. I think he likes his new
Oh, this
daddy.
looks like very
This is
much
simply amazing. I've always wanted a son of my own. Zulia, he's perfect. Oh, I'm so glad you're all here. I can't believe it. In
I
a
like
matter
how.
matter of minutes, I went from alone in the world to having a herd of my own. Come on, let me show you your new home, the zoo. And these are the cats. Very kind fellows, unless you're one of those pesky KOB goons.
KOB? What's KOB?
Well, they're an organization of masked goons who come in here.
Elephant enclosures. Oh dear. Oh dear.
What was that?
It was a baby. It was the baby. It was the
Is
baby.
that a human? I'll put an end to you, shrimp.
It was a
right
baby
now.
boy. No, it's quiet. It's quiet.
I eat filthy humans like you for breakfast.
What are you doing to my son?
Your son? Oh, Zookeeper. I'm so sorry. I assumed it was another one of those humans breaking in.
Honey, I know you love it here, but I don't know if it's safe for our son.
But
Yeah, it's
but
not
this is
safe.
my
It's not
home.
safe. It's not
The animals
safe.
need
It's
me.
not
I'm
safe.
sorry, but it's either them or us.
It's
The
not
baby's
safe for
safety
baby.
comes
It's not safe for
first.
baby.
You're right. I think we have to find somewhere else to live.
Wait, Zookeeper. I'm sorry.
It's been a pleasure working with you, Mr. Man, was it?
Ah, please, Mr. Man was my father.
Oh, he got a mustache. He got a mustache.
You man.
Right. Well, just sign here, Hugh Man,
Please.
and this place...
Zookeeper.
Enjoy your new home, Zookeeper.
I think this place is up to
When
no
I pull
good.
this
I
off,
think
the
this place is
KOB
up
will
to no
surely
good.
promote me to chair.
Anyways.
The target has entered the premises. The operation will commence tonight.
Oh, I think it's that place up to no good. They always make my own code agent. Anyways.
thing's brand new. Shouldn't be conking out on me quite yet. Hey, drop that! We don't play with electricity, Junior. We don't want you getting hurt, do we? Hey, not yet! Wait, not me!
I'll just let this cool down.
Pie is so
for a
good.
moment.
Pie is so good. Oh, look at that. The movie is still moving. It's still moving.
Sweetheart, what have you done? Oh, my pie!
Causing a mess today, aren't you,
Look
boy?
at him. Look at him.
I think you need
Oh, let's go do.
a mess today, aren't you, boy? I think you need a timeout, since you already had your supper, apparently. Off to bed!
Oh, the cop agent!
Target
The
sighted.
cop agent! Oh, the cop agent!
What was that?
It sounded like, oh no, we have to check on the baby now!
The cop agent! The cop agent!
My baby!
That beam of energy, it must be him! And it looks like they brought him back to the zoo. Honey, we have to go back, now!
The cop agent.
Cry all you want. Your mommy and daddy aren't coming for you. And if they do, we're just gonna send them right back where they came from.
No trespassing.
Wait, is that the zookeeper's son? He's been kidnapped.
It was
I
a
need
zoo-
to save him. I owe
Cop
him
agent, the
that
bad
much.
cop agent.
Well, hope you enjoyed your brief stay on Earth, though I'm sure you won't remember it. At some kind of alien orphanage. If you survived the trip.
Not on my watch.
Huh?
Look, kid, I know you shouldn't trust me, but right now I'm your only hope. Okay, now we just need to lay low and... Hey, where are you off to?
Just been tripping out. Just been tripping out. Just tripping out.
He should be in here! Son! Son, where are you?
Zookeeper, is that you? We're in here. We're safe.
Oh, thank God my baby is alive. We just have to get in there.
Yeah,
Not
the baby
so
is.
fast.
Oh no.
You monster! You leave our son alone! Get back here or I'll get you myself! No! No! I can't get in! No! No! I can't get in!
Honey, what can we do?
I don't know! Run, son! Crawl as fast as you can and get away from him!
It's cute that you're trying so hard, but you should just give up now. End of the line.
It's an elephant. It's an elephant. It's an elephant.
Watch.
It's an elephant.
Yes.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Yeah! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
Oh, honey, I'm sorry we got so mad at you.
I'll never let you out of my sight again.
The cop agent is dead. The cop agent is
You
dead.
may have scared our boy earlier, but it was just a misunderstanding. You saved him.
I'm sorry for what I did, but glad I could help out in the end.
Come on, family. Let's go home.
No, honey. I think this zoo is our home.
Really?
Really.
Well, what a cool episode. What a cool episode. What a cool episode. The Zookeeper has his own family now. The Zookeeper has got his own family now. And he was in the zoo Anyway, you can see it. You can see in here. My God, what a great episode! I just never saw that Zookeeper has also got own family, has his wife and a baby. And also the cop agent. Cop agent is a bad guy. I know if the cop agent is a very bad guy. I just knew it. Well, guys, there we have it. The Zookeeper was really officer, really rather. Zookeeper is a very good guy. Alright, guys, there we have it. There we have it.
As a single friends, whatever happened again? I don't care if you're a man. We gon' love you to the end. You call